You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this bitter, amaro, as the Italians say it. It's an Italian alcoholic liqueur used as spritz and cocktail. If you want to learn more cocktails, stay tuned. The Italian pronunciation, so the original pronunciation, Campari, Campari, Campari aperitif from Milan. In English, the pronunciation is simply similarly as Campari, Campari, bitter. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.